So, ang lakas maka-social ng phone. Sobra, ang ganda ang nipis. Wow, that's what I can say. It's really premium built yung quality niya. Ready? Bluepers Vlogs X. Hello guys, welcome to Bluepers Vlogs, and today we are going to unbox something very special. And let's see what Lazada gave me. Alright, so this is straight off from the courier just right now. I just got it, and it is the, what's this? So it's from Seller Center. Lazada, okay. And it is the XIAOMI Redmi 5 Plus. Woo! So, kudos to Lazada. Thank you so much. I said I was going to review this. I even posted it on their wall that I was going to review this once I received the product. I've been so excited about this for a couple of days now. Oh my. Can't even open the bubble. So they really, okay, there's scotch tape. So they really sealed it off well. Thank you. Can't even open it. Alright. There we go. Alright. So there we have it. It's the Redmi 5 Plus. Alright. So wonderful. I found something. I just found a tool thing to open it. Let's open it from the back, shall we? Let's see what's inside. Oh, let's see what's inside the box. Whee! Guys, my phone has been lagging, so this one. So since it's been lagging, at least now I'll be able to. This is my Samsung A36. So at least now I'll be able to use something faster and that doesn't lag, because I've been using it a lot for my business, so I needed something fast, but at the same time it would be budget friendly as well, since most of the time we just call, text, you know. Alright, so what do we get inside the box? Wow, this is wonderful. XIAOMI has included a cover. Wow, this is nice. They have included the silicone case, which is really good for protecting. And what's this? We have the phone. So my god, it's 6 inches. I didn't even think it was gonna be this big. I was expecting something smaller. Great, because it's really a phablet and I needed something this great. Oh wow, perfect. Perfect, wow. Wow, I wasn't expecting this. This is even way better than my expectation. Sobra. Because I bought stuff from the local market here, and nothing beats this kind of quality that I haven't seen yet here in our local brands. And this one is really, you know, manipis siya. Wow. And it also has a screen protector on it already, so hindi siya magagasgas. Then you have your silicone case with it, so when you put it together, diba ang ganda niya? Wow, perfect. So what's inside the box? We get the manual. Now at least it's in English. Great. Then we have this one. Let's put it at the side. We get the charger, the USB cable. So let's test it. This is my first time to open this thing. Let me remove first this one. I wanna feel the metal on it. Oh. Wow. And there are no buttons down here. Everything is on the screen. And as you can see, the round edges here. That is just wonderful. Sobra. Okay, let's start it. Okay. Philippines. Okay, so I'll just connect to the internet. Oh. Alright, so connected. Next. Terms and conditions. Guys, it feels like it's an iPhone 6, but my god, I mean, the screen ratio is really something. In order for you to appreciate what this is, I really would highly suggest seeing it personally because it looks different from the video. Okay, so we don't have the SIM card inserted yet. I will insert this in a bit. Yeah, and the SIM ejector is inside the box as well, so you can see there it's at the end here. I'm going to use that later. And I will do this later so we can go straight and see this one. Okay, skip first. Okay. So, fingerprint. Yes, this has fingerprint. So, I'm going to use my pin. There is a pin. Okay, and then once I've set the pin, I can use my finger on the back here. So let's try that. 3. Location settings. Agree. Alright. Let's go. And setup complete. Loading apps. Alright, so we're in. Wow, this is really something. And it's way faster. That was the one thing that I needed, because I needed something fast because my phone lags. So I will be able to keep this phone. My phone, I'll be able to keep this now. So just in case I need any assistance later on, I'll be able to use this. But for the meantime, this is going to be my work phone. And it will help me a lot, and I do hope that this does also help you guys decide to get a Redmi. And talagang kung budget na maganda, na tipid, at the same time it's power packed with everything. Well, basically I think it's here. Alright, so I will post some pictures from the front cam and the back cam so you can see, plus video. So you can see for yourself how good the Redmi 5 Plus. 5 Plus is the 5 Plus is more powerful than the 5. Okay, so please take note of that. So that's why there's quite a difference in range of price for this.
Hello friends, once again here with you. So a while ago you saw me putting 3,000 pesos through this ATM machine to buy bitcoins, and in about 10 minutes here it is. I've already received about $45 worth of bitcoins right now. It's pretty fascinating experience. So all I did was put in cash, give them my bitcoin address, and this is a bitcoin ATM machine. Once again, I'm in Makati, Philippines, and I get my bitcoins on blockchain. So it works. That's very important. So enjoy bitcoins.
Now we can put it in. We can add, because of the SIM tray, we can add now the SIM card here. So it is dual SIM. This is a dual SIM device, guys. See? So it's similar to my A3. Similar to my A3 here. This one. Which has a micro SIM memory card. I can make use of the memory card if I wish to, if I add it here, or you can see here, or if I add a SIM on top of that here, this way. See, I'll be able to make use of that and another SIM as well. There. Perfect. At least I'll be able to make use of this way more. Ang hassle kasi, I mean, keep using this. And the battery life, as I've read in the comments from other places, the battery is superb. It does do wonders. Sobra. Ayan. So, it's setting up pa lang everything. Alright, guys. And, swipe. Okay. Di pa ako sanay. Ayan. I was able to use my fingerprint. Ganun kabilis siya. See? So, ang lakas maka-social ng phone. Sobra. Ang ganda, ang nipis. Wow. That's what I can say. It's really premium built yung quality niya. Alright guys, thank you so much for viewing our little unboxing with the Redmi 5 Plus. And I do hope that you did enjoy our little unboxing. This is something special that we got here from Lazada. And since I was part of the sale that happened before their birthday sale, I was lucky enough to get this. And I was able to preview it before all of the stocks got finished and the prices changed again for their birthday celebration. But again, this has to be one of the best handsets that I have ever tried, and it being an octacore 3GB model is really something else, and the performance is superb and no regrets talaga. Sobrang ganda. And I do hope that this would also entice you, those who are wanting to buy or purchase a new mobile phone and you are on budget, or if you want something that isn't too expensive but has the perks of a premium and very expensive smartphone. This is it. This is one of the best that I would really advise you to get. So thank you so much, and thank you Lazada for sending it to me faster. Thank you very much, Lazada. And until our next purchase. So guys, if you like the video, please like, subscribe, and let us know down below at the comment section. And if you have any suggestions or reviews that you would want us to do, please let us know, and we will get back to you as soon as we can. Thanks.